Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh Autobiography 4-wheel drive. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid, it is an automatic, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian Grey. To start off with, then, you have your digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have your 22-inch 10-spoke gloss dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing the Carpathian Grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Now, to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the semi-aniline perforated leather upholstery in Perlino. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid and it has a range of up to 75 miles. On a 7kW charger it can take up to 5 hours to charge, and on a rapid charge it can charge up to 80% in up to 40 minutes. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats are electronically adjustable and the driver's seat is a memory seat, allowing you to find a comfortable position and save it. You also have the Meridian sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey that you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have everything you may need, including hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control. This vehicle also features a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst travelling. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go, along with your 4x4 information, different terrain response drive modes, your ride height and of course your weight sensing. This makes this vehicle suited for most terrain and any off-road adventures you may find yourself on. You also have a 360 view camera with the off-road feature as well. This allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Along with this, you also have your dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger travelling in the front with you. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for hot summer months as well as the colder winter ones. The seats in the rear are also the same, ensuring your passengers stay comfortable throughout. The front seats, however, are massage seats, ideal for those longer journeys, ensuring that you always stay comfortable. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.